Nango bango wana na libende ya zwanga toza na libende zwanga Divi, yeah, zona boa. Pression. Pression. Oh, mafuta
Ojen mom gula buka nga jen mom gula seksanga jen mo sa soki papa sango otala ete na internet jen buka nga bigolo pa u papa sango abinake nakendaki na eglise ya Moïse Mbia namoni babebe abuka wana otekanga bi osango nini azolela babebe babebe
ça va? Nihon.
Ouais, ça va.
Nihon, what's up, man?
Quoi?
Thomas,
Oui,
where you from?
France.
Where you from?
France.
Greece?
No, France.
Swiss?
No, France.
There you go. You can actually do nice things once in a while, you know, like not just fucking carnival stuff. So because you survived this madness, because you might survive this madness, you're gonna get a trophy that says, "I survived the anniversary marathon with an Ingrid Wild Styles trophy." There you go.
Yeah,
Huge shout out to Wild Styles right here for coming on the show. Finally, he said the same thing. Finally, you guys might have it. For my favorite MMORPG, World of Warcraft. World of Warcraft.
Atika ndenge nini na atika nini makambo zao atika
Yo, qui t'a rejoint. Ah, j'arrive pas à dire ton nom, mais salut. On a écrit quoi?
Vera demona
Vas-y, je comprends rien à ce qu'elle a écrit.
For the Horde!
Afrique capable on est le Afrique capable na atika ndenge nini Afrique capable na atika ndenge nini abi yango neza matata la capable yo mundi bukite wana oh na buto
C'est quoi? Qui est quoi là?
Wow.
Je vois pas.
Thank you very much, Wild Styles, for coming today. I love the fact that one guy said literally, like, trying to get out of the bus, he's getting angry. You're angry, Wild Styles. Yeah, you're fun? Yeah, did you get shot by the confetti?
Yeah, it was fucking scary.
It was fucking scary. And it's Rawson's favorite moment of the day, like every time.
Okay.
He's diabolical.
Hey, thank you so much for coming. Next
Yeah,
time we want you for a full episode. Yeah?
Yes.
Is that a deal?
You done with that? 4 hours?
4 hours?
Yeah.
Yes.
What's that? Yeah, you done.
All right, now let's get the fuck out of here. Get the fuck out. We'll be right back after these commercial breaks.
From our sponsors.
It's Raymond Boys! The real American style! Think we're not playing with hot boys, you know what to do. Subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and you know, play with hot boys!
Fille capable. Ouais, la fille capable. Kote lo bango tende mwana biso ya bato bango. La fille capable. Mundibu lo mwana ngo mundibu. Mundibu ake mbuye na. La fille capable. La fille capable. La fille capable.
Okay, I think we're kinda, people know what's coming already, but the shirt's kinda, you know,
My friend.
If you want to win one of those exclusive engraved
Hello.
Guys Survive TV Marathon
Hello, my
edition.
friend. My friend, I call you back. After I call you back, okay?
Your name only. And yeah, those fucking.
My friend, I call you back.
Who are our closest friends in the whole industry.
I call you back after. I call you back, okay?
They're always, you know, available. We say, hey, can you come over?
Okay, my friend. I call you back after.
Here he goes.
De quoi? J'ai pas compris.
Mister.
Ladies and gentlemen, without any further ado, put your crown on your head. It's time to get a little bit royal in here. You know,
I call you back, huh? After I call you back.
Hey. Welcome back, boys. Good to have you. We
I
have
have a front part.
Yeah.
How are you guys doing?
I'm good. How are you doing?
I call you back.
That's you, yeah. Oh, wow. But be careful with sending voice notes. I know. I know you guys were going to do it. And, it's still stuck in my head. It's a great greeting. Not lucky for you. You already played it. Oh, yeah. It doesn't fit in one time. No, it does.
So cool. There is a pre-release.
Yeah, we got a royal release. Yeah. Yeah. Great. Who's Estonia timepiece? Jet planes, islands,
Tigers on a gold leash.
we don't care.
Let's start playing some music, boys.
We are the elites. Okay. So we're releasing this tomorrow for free, and it's because Lord was like, "Fuck you guys, I don't want to release this." So now we're doing this. Okay. Especially good. Yes, good.
Chatter.
Okay.
You never stop talking.
I know. It's time for our driver. Yeah. Yeah. Let's kick off the set with Royals.
Let's go, boys. We're here with the Elite Anniversary Marathon. Let me just do
Mon
a
frère,
couple.
ça va, mon frère.
Ouais, ça va.
Mats says something. I'm sad because I haven't heard Stevie now. Also, shortly for everyone. Great stream and much love from Bavaria. Doug says we need a new Wild Salts and Atmospheres collab. And the Rain says, hey guys, happy anniversary. Thank you for the great times during lockdown. Shots for base brain, Peter S, and the whole WhatsApp group. We don't care. We don't care. Going to ready up in the air. Clap those hands.
Rafika Pablo. Mon frère,
Quoi?
ça va?
Oui,
mon
ça
frère?
va. Bah oui, ça va.
Ouais, comment ça s'appelle?
De quoi?
Ouais, je dis quitte là-bas. Je te rappelle après alors. Je te rappelle après. Je parle
Ok,
avec
ça marche.
ma sœur. Hein.
Ouais, t'inquiète.
Ah, je parle avec ma sœur, ok. Après, je te rappelle, ok?
Ok.
Merci, capable. Tout le monde a un essai de ma bonne. Voilà, c'est capable. Là, tu as un écouteur. Ah, oui, non. Voilà, les mamans.
Je sais, il y a beaucoup de batterie.
C'est une maman.
Feels like a hurricane in here.
Voilà,
Ariam says nothing. And Marv says we only need to shots here after 1-3. And Vic says, keep it up, guys. Greetings to the Tuca family. Marcus, please, Timber, wee!
En même temps, là, peut-être. C'est vrai que je suis abonné, mais il n'y a pas de problème. C'est de la vie. Mathias, c'est quelque chose que je suppose. Non. Complètement partial Castel. Mais non, mais il n'est pas abonné non plus, de toute façon. Et ouais, putain. Non, c'est Castel qui dit, mais ça marche pas. Ouais, non. Non, pas personne. C'est une qualité qui ils veulent ton live, c'est pas possible. Ça cherche. Je sais pas si je fais ça.
Be careful when you drop the base rate. Okay?
Your driver, Mike, says the elite hands up with the crowd.
Hey.
Alessandro says yes, with the elite, base brain and Rosso. All right, sure.
Non, pas dire Mundibo atingamina fatela je suis capable non c'est déconnecté comme Mundibo bimanana.
Poutine nini?